own electricity in the evening. Right now you can switch to solar plus Tesla Powerwall 3 with no money out of pocket. And Semper Solaris will pay your electric bill for up to 3 months. Call Semper Solaris at 415-354-2969. That's 415-354-2969. Eliminate blackouts. Escape corporate greed. Go solar now.
Our crew credit. Oversee website for details. Offers price 331-2024. CSW number 978152.
Do you remember me? Because I remember you. Brian Sussman here, and I am back on the air on KSFO Wednesdays, 6 to 7 p.m. You don't want to miss it. I guarantee you, I won't miss it. It's going to be the Power Hour every Wednesday, 6 to 7 p.m., right here on the world's greatest radio station. We will laugh. We will feast. We will fight for the truth. Wednesdays, 6 to 7 p.m.
Coral Reef Alliance works at local, regional, and global levels to keep coral reefs healthy so they can adapt to climate change and survive for generations to come. To get involved, go to coral.org.
Find out everything you need to know about your favorite radio station on the Talk Radio 560 KSFO website. It's all at ksfo.com.
Recession, yes or no? You're not in a recession if you're a Democrat or if you're a reporter. You are in a recession if you're anyone and everyone else. Live in 3 to 6 on your radio and smart speakers. 560 KSFO.
Talk Radio 560 KSFO San Francisco. KSAN HD2 San Mateo. A Cumulus Media Station.
To clinching. I'm Lisa Lacera, Fox News. With 15 states holding primaries tomorrow, former President Trump's campaign is hoping for big wins.
The Trump campaign tells me that they're expecting the former president to walk away from Super Tuesday with more than 1,000 delegates, close to 1,100, which means they anticipate that he'll clinch his nomination a week from tomorrow.
Fox's Aisha Hasni in West Palm Beach, Florida. Just as Trump has handed a legal victory, the Supreme Court rules he can't be kept off states' ballots based on the Constitution's insurrection law.
Well, the Supreme Court did rule 9-0 that states do not have the power under the 14th Amendment to strip candidates from their ballots, holding simply responsibility for enforcing Section 3 against federal office holders and candidates rests with Congress and not the states. There was an internal division on full display in the concurrence signed onto by Justices Sotomayor, Kagan, and Jackson. The three felt the court went too far, arguing that the bottom line question was where the other justices should have stopped.
Fox's Shannon Bream. The Supreme Court has temporarily halted a new Texas law that allows police to arrest migrants who enter the country illegally. The law was set to go into effect Saturday. The emergency request from the Justice Department came after a federal appeals court over the weekend stayed a federal judge's rejection of the law signed by Governor Greg Abbott. A UN envoy says there is reasonable grounds to believe Hamas committed war crimes against Israeli women on October 7th.
Pramila Patten, the UN's special representative on sexual violence in conflict, has released the findings of her investigation. She found that Hamas on October 7th systematically raped Israeli women at least 3 different locations across southern Israel.
Fox's Trey Yingst in Tel Aviv. America is listening to Fox News.
Jessica, this is the happiest day of my life. Right up there with the day I bought my RV and insured it with Progressive. Man, I love that thing. There are a million fish in the sea, which I'm reminded of every time I bring my RV to the lake, but I vow to love and cherish you just as much as I cherish campsites with full electric and water hookups. I'm so sorry.
Protect your beloved with an RV policy from Progressive. Take as little as 4 minutes to see what you could save at Progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and Affiliates.
Federal authorities are now pressuring banks to spy on the transactions of conservatives. Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Paul, and this is yet another reason why you need a physical gold IRA from Birch Gold Group. To find out more, text the word PROTECT to 989898 to get your free info kit on gold IRAs. Secure your IRA or 401k right now. Text PROTECT to 989898 to request your free info kit.
Message and data rates may apply. Paid for by Birch Gold. KSFO traffic from the Chilton Auto Body Desk.
Crews in Palo Alto dealing with a 3-car wreck, South 101 before University Avenue. Everyone's on the shoulder, but you are backed up from Willow Road. a pile of plywood in your way in Sausalito. South 101 before the Sausalito Marin City exit. It's in the left-hand lane. That's your traffic. I'm Brian Drake.
This report is sponsored by Progressive Insurance. Progressive Commercial Insurance flexes to fit your business.